What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Poco F2 Pro, and I have a new case for this beautiful device, and it is a case from a company called Spigen. Pick this up on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. You can pick it up. Now, this fits the Poco F2 Pro and also the Redmi K30 Pro. It's the rugged armor case from Spigen. Spigen's got mad respect when it comes to the tech community because they make great cases for a lot of different phones, and it's kind of cool that they actually made one for the Poco phone, because the Poco, now Poco gives you a really excellent case. I have to say that the case that comes with the phone is phenomenal. It's clear, it's hard shell, great protection. I love the corner edges here. It is just phenomenal. That's just good look. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out so you guys can pick this up. And this is like 10 bucks, man. Not very expensive. And it's the classic Spigen case, that black. So it doesn't matter what color you have. Let's give it that smell test. Yeah, brand new, I hope. But you get this, you get your nice quality texture inside so your phone doesn't slide around. You got that nice gigantic hole for your camera. Then you got your pop-up camera. Also your, what else we got up there? Oh, headphone jack, hello. Type C and speaker, you're good to go. We're gonna go ahead and bust this out of the Poco F2 case. And as you can see, this thing is just beautiful. It's lovely. I mean, Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, back, aluminum sides. This thing is gorgeous, man. People are sleeping on this phone for real, but it's all good. The Poco King's got it for you. Ooh, this is nice. This is real nice. Not bad at all. Good quality workmanship here. You got an opening here for your Type C, and then you got your volume up and down, power button, the works headphone jack on top, and then you have your camera, you know, the procedure. Boom. That's right. It comes out real fine and nice. You don't have to worry about it getting stuck. Let's go ahead and try that again. Sorry about that. Look at that. Ooh. Shout out to the what do you call it? There we go. Let's try that again. Make sure you guys can see. It's like hard to focus my camera sometimes. I will have to beat it down. There you go. So you got real smooth look there, so you ain't got no issues there. What's up, Alan? But yeah, it's a good look, man. You got good some lid protection there on your camera, and I also have a screen protector on my camera. Check out that video. I did a video on that. Good protection on the edges. This is a little harder, so it probably protects it just a little bit, but this is good protection. The only thing is you can't see that beautiful white, but if you want to cover it up, keep it spanky new, you could do that. You got your speaker there. Buttons are flush, no issues with the button. Volume up and down is real smooth, real nice. Yeah, you got your openings here for your charger. You're good to go. And you know, 10 bucks, and there's not a lot of cases out for this phone right now, so yeah, man, check them out. They are the Spigen case for the Poco F2 Pro and the Redmi K30 Pro. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. That is one of the cool cases that you could pick up on Amazon from Spigen for the Poco F2 Pro and the K30 Pro. That's gonna do it, man. I'm out of here. Poco King out.